Oh, look out, look out, look out, look out.
Hey, look out, look out. I'm in the building, man. I'm in the building.
What up, man?
Nothing much. Chilling on it, trying to see something.
Yeah,
What-
we're always
do,
giving
man?
you a shout out.
Y'all done heard the new news.
Oh,
Yeah, what the hell's going on?
So somebody's mad at you or something?
What happened is I asked for a shout out up there at Yellow Belly, and I asked Bill for the shout out. He said, well, you got to stop posting the bullshit, the fights, the wrecks, and all this, everything, the stuff in the pits. You can't post that stuff, and you can't. Then he went over there. When I left the track, he went over there. Yeah, murder. He was asking for a shout out. I told Lookout he was trying to get one. I told him, yeah, dude, you stop posting the bullshit and all this and stop fucking around. I was like, dang, he was happy that he could. Yeah, I told his ass. I was like, what?
That's the gutto. That's
So yeah, I was just going through it a little bit, and everybody was like, man, he wrong for that, man, because he started shouting out the other streamers that's over there, man, and they doing the same thing. All that, so I was just going through it again.
Attention in the pits. Attention in the
attention
pits.
in the pits.
Attention in the pits. We got Happy and Limpy on the show, guys. We're just here to have a good time. We don't want any fights, any arguments.
No.
We got about 15 minutes.
Got about 100. About 100.
Yeah, better 100. Hey, man, this side.
This side. No. What did he say? It was a setup.
Yeah.
A setup.
That's a goddamn setup. Y'all, hey, you seen that, man? That's a goddamn setup. That's a goddamn setup, man. Hey, man, I know you seen that. I ain't fucking with James no more.
Yeah.
I ain't fucking with him. Him and Slim set that shit up. I ain't fucking with James no more. He probably don't even come back around here.
Oh, fuck, man. I'm crying.
I'm done, man.
Dude, we died laughing at that shit. That shit's funny as fuck, man.
Oh, man.
Hey,
Comical.
Oh, man.
Funky Town, he been calling me. Hey, look out. What track you going to? I'll be like, shit, I'm going to go to XRP this time or Yellow Belly. Oh, yeah.
He's a trip, man.
He said, ask Lookout about the old man coin flip.
Which old man corn? Oh, yeah, man, I won the coin flip toss. I was over there killing. They came up with a new game. I knew I was going to win. Them pots started getting big.
Oh, yeah. They were flipping, instead of flipping quarters, they were flipping 20.
Nah, it was 3 of us. It's 3 people. They
odd man out.
Yeah.
One man knockout or some shit. Man, that was my new Michael Poland boy. At first, I thought he was going to win. Because he was the first one to take down a big pot. We came up with a rule. If we all get the same thing, heads or tails, we're going to double down.
Double. Yep. Odd man out.
We end up having a triple down.
Yep.
And Michael won that shit. So
that's fun.
He had me panicking then.
That shit's fun, man.
He had me panicking. That was a fun game, Michael. That was a good one. I'm glad they enjoyed that, which I ain't never really got to chill with old Michael like that much.
Yeah, that's what we all used to do. If odd man out, and if everybody lives, then it's double.
It's double.
Yeah, that's why we've always done it.
See, we used to pitch quarters, and shoot dice, and get the high low dice, and whoever get the highest number. I used to do that.
Pitching, seeing who get closest to the wall.
Yeah.
Leaner's an automatic winner.
Up there real good at that.
Yeah, Leaner's a winner.
Automatic winner.
It's somebody. Do y'all Happy? You good at the light thing? At that light game where you gotta release the pro tree thing?
I'm decent because I race. So I mean I'm decent.
So Happy, Limpy, you ain't that good at it since you ain't been racing, right?
Yeah, I'm old, man. I'm old and feeble.
You got a trans brake on your turbo car though.
Well, fuck yeah.
Oh yeah.
I wonder what kind of reaction Limpy gonna be having since he ain't been driving in a long time.
It'll be good.
It can't be that good, man.
It'll be good.
Bro, what about
it
all
won't
the
take long.
time they say people need?
It's like riding a bicycle.
Yeah.
Limpy, when the last time you drove?
Today.
Oh shit. Before that, you been when the last time you was in the sevens? or the 60s? Have you ever been in the 60s?
Yeah.
What kind of car you had?
Same car I've got.
Mustang.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I've had the same car for 20 something years.
Oh, okay.
It's just like yours.
I ain't been paying no attention. So this
it's just like your Mustang.
Man.
So I got 2 Mustangs now.
Damn. So what was the other one got in it?
Single turbo and one's twins.
He always went turbo.
Yeah.
LS.
Damn. So he is ready. He ready.
Holly EFI.
Damn. Who your tuner? You talk about your tuner and stuff?
Botello.
Yeah. I don't even know him.
You know
who he tuned?
Yeah, you know Botello.
Who called he tuned?
Yoshi.
Oh shit, he do know something. Yeah, he knows something.
White Boy Rick.
Oh yeah, damn. Yeah, he tuned some. Yeah, he know what to do with that turbo then. Who your mechanics? What's your mechanics' names?
It's Limpy.
Oh, you know how to work on a car?
And
I thought you just flagged races, man.
I don't know. I don't know shit about fuck, man. I don't know shit about fuck.
I ain't think you be getting
the more you know, the more they expect of you. So I don't know shit about nothing.
I should have been telling their ass that. I barely learned that too. When you go, if your car running hot, you don't tell them, "Hey man, I figured out it was the water pump." You just say, "Hey man, fix my running hot issue." I don't know what's wrong with it.
I don't know what's wrong. Figure it out.
They wear all on their ass.
You get your transmission fixed?
I got the transmission fixed, and then the head gasket went. Man, check this out happen. Man, I get my car back right. Man, I'm gonna tell you, I don't know what to do. I don't be knowing what to do. I always get in. I don't know. I'm gonna have to come up with a saying. I just know how to find a fucked up situation. I've been saying it already as I be walking at Yellow Belly. But my new fucked up situation is I paid full price for the transmission. I waited an exterior period of time, and then I had to rush at the end to pick it up. And I'm finally going up there to pick it up. I done borrowed a truck. I done rented a trailer, and I get there to pick it up. They finished it. All right, boom. It wasn't done right then and there. I went to go eat, came back, finished up. Pulling it out. I'm at the transmission shop. Crank it up, warmed it up, make sure the fluid. We pulled it out, check the stick. Yeah, you about 1.5 quarts low. And then help me put it back on the trailer. Then asked me for $40 for the fluid that we put in there.